You know what? I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, ha? You know, Paulo Cruzada, your parents has already scolded you because um, you bullied Jerick Silva, you bullied um, 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 Paula Colin Nunez, after Paula, Jerick Silva, after Shania Kiana, after Joseph Maspinas. Next, you bully Teacher Marvel. What the hell is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Why you curse her Bobo? What if, for example, what if, for example, if Teacher Marvel husband John Archu Matthew Bernal was there, he will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. Would you ever harass Teacher Kel and even Eskel Penrubia, who were in United States? They were in the US. How come you gonna harass them, Paulo Cruzada? Where are they now? They're in Arizona. They were in Chicago. Where will you find them? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you're a student of Teacher May Tiburcio. If I were you, don't curse, don't bully Teacher Marvel. Teacher Marvel, that's our friend. That was a friend of me, even Buddy Castro, including Stepan Pimentel, Eris Clemente, Alexis Porcala, Apple Alday, Kathleen Canete. Don't do that to Teacher Marvel. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you will regret your consequence. Teacher Marvel is a teacher. For me, I never harass Teacher Kel. I never harass Eskel Penumbra. I just let them be. And please, Paulo Cruzada, just leave Teacher Marvel alone. You're trying to bully Teacher Marvel, and you know, Paulo Cruzada, you are special. Your parents have told you, what they said to you, you know, what you realize, Paulo Cruzada is a special child. Shania Kiana told me, you know, Paulo Cruzada, don't bully Teacher Marvel. I never want to bully Teacher Marvel. Teacher Marvel is a teacher. Have mercy to that person, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I am not here to pick a fight. I'm not fighting against you in Messenger. And I said, I curse you. Maybe I curse you, Paulo Cruzada, with the profanity words, me and Jerick Silva. Do you know, Paulo Cruzada, for what you have done, what you have did? Do you know, you know, when I was there in CDIFI, you know, you bully Teacher Marvel. How would Teacher Marvel will forgive you, Paulo Cruzada? How would John Archu Matthew Bernal will forgive you? They will never forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. That is your fault. Do you want to be happen to Tatay Arnold, Paulo Cruzada? Do you want to be happen to Kuya Joel? I'm not saying Kuya Joel from CDIFI. Kuya Joel is galang. That was construction worker. Do you want to be happen to them, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are an asshole. You are a stupid. I know you are a bully. Do you want to be same as Mang Rodelio Daguman? Oh, Mang Rodelio is not always like that. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada and Jordan Bunagan, both of you will regret this. If I were say to you, Paulo Cruzada, don't do that to Teacher Marvel. Do you know Paulo Cruzada, when Teacher Marvel was there, when she visited CDIFI during my birthday, I thanks to Teacher Andrea and Teacher Nelson. Teacher Nelson is a late teacher. He died also. According by Kathleen Canete. Teacher Nelson is already dead. But he was still alive when he visited there in 2015. Do you know that, Paulo Cruzada?